Hello, today I'll be discussing the Teledyne LeCroy USB4 Transmitter Physical Layer Test Solution. USB4 is a bidirectional link with a maximum data rate of 40 gigabits per second over the USB Type-C connector, with two lanes each signaling at 10 gig or 20 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt uses the same PHY signaling at 10.3125 or 20.625 gigabits per second. Fixtures and test controllers for USB4 and Thunderbolt 3 are available through the WilderTech at wildertech.com. The USB4 CTS requires the signal be captured with a 16 GHz oscilloscope for 10 gigabits per second and 21 GHz for 20 gigabits per second data rates, both at 80 gigasamples per second. The LabMaster SDA II Serial supports multi-lane simultaneous testing with 4 channels at 80 gigasamples per second, while the WaveMaster SDA II Serial tests each lane sequentially at the required sample rate. Before performing TX testing, the insertion loss of the test cables must be characterized and de-embedded from the measurements. S parameters of the cables can be measured with the Teledyne LeCroy Wave Pulsar 40IX High-Speed Interconnect Analyzer, or a VNA. Teledyne LeCroy Qualify USB4 software completely automates the transmitter testing, controlling both the oscilloscope and the USB4 device under test through a test controller. From the Qualify main screen, select the USB4 TX from the USB menu. In the Setup menu, select the DUT Type, Router Assembly, Captive Device, or Thunderbolt 3 device, data rates, ports, and lanes to be tested. Under the Test Selector menu, select the test to be run, and configure custom setups in the Variable Setup tab. Then press the Start button. Follow the connection diagram to make the proper connections for the test, then press OK. The Qualify software will now automatically perform the tests. Once complete, a pass-fail transmitter compliance report is generated. If using the LabMaster SDA II Serial, both lanes are captured and analyzed simultaneously using the multi-lane capability of the SDA III Complete Link software. The results of both lanes being tested can be monitored while the tests are being run. If a failure occurs during testing, the failure can be further investigated using the SDA II Serial Data Analysis features in the oscilloscope. That completes this introduction to Teledyne LeCroy's USB4 transmitter compliance testing. In addition to USB4 testing, Qualify supports all legacy standards over the USB-C connector, and Teledyne LeCroy is the market leader for protocol analysis tools for all USB-C technologies. Happy testing, and hope to see you at the next workshop.
For more information and videos on Teledyne LeCroy's USB4 physical and protocol testing over Type-C, visit us at teledynelecroy.com/USB-C.